off the ground. C is for cat who says meow, meow. D is for dance, let's shake it now. Clap, clap, sing with me, we're learning letters A to Z. Hop, hop, shout hooray, let's have fun the alphabet way. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog hopping along. G is for guitar, strum that tune. H is for hippo, splashing in June. Clap, clap, sing with me, we're learning letters A to Z. Hop, hop, shout hooray, let's have fun the alphabet way. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog hopping along. G is for guitar, strum that tune. H is for hippo, splashing in June. Clap, clap, sing with me, we're learning letters A to Z. Hop, hop, shout hooray, let's have fun the alphabet way. I is for ice cream, creamy and cold. J is for jelly beans, color so bold. K is for kite flying so high. L is for laughter reaching the sky. M is for monkey swing so fast. N is for nest where birds rest at last. O is for octopus, wiggly and cool. P is for painting in art class at school. Q is for queen with a crown so bright. R is for rainbow, a colorful sight. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella, when raindrops fall. V is for violin, hear the call. W is for whistle, tweet, tweet too. X is for xylophone, play a tune. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. We sang our letters A to Z. Sing it again, come dance with me.